Want to learn digital marketing for free? Start with these courses. There are so many amazing resources available to help you learn digital marketing without spending a dime. Here are some of the best free courses you should check out. Google Digital Garage. This course covers the fundamentals of digital marketing, including SEO, social media, and analytics. It's a fantastic place to start. HubSpot Academy. HubSpot offers a range of free courses on inbound marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and more. Plus, you get a certification when you complete them. Coursera. While some courses have fees, many universities offer free access to their digital marketing courses for a limited time. Just search for digital marketing and filter for free options. Meta Blueprint. Learn about Facebook and Instagram marketing through their free online courses. You'll get tips on advertising, audience targeting, and creating engaging content. YouTube. Don't underestimate the power of YouTube. There are countless channels dedicated to teaching digital marketing strategies, tips, and tricks for beginners. Ready to dive into digital marketing without breaking the bank? Check out these free courses and start learning today. Follow for more tips on your digital marketing journey.